wheat bread, brown bread, whole wheat bread, or wholemeal bread, the value is the same. Welcome to Sarfo Baffoe's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make or prepare whole wheat bread or brown bread. In order to have a nice, fresh, succulent wheat bread, you have to have a whole wheat flour and a bread flour. If Opa Wansem could use only wheat flour after making the bread, if you use 2 cups of wheat flour, then use 1 cup of bread flour. You can use only wheat flour to make it, but using only wheat flour without bread flour would make it hard. I added nut milk. Add your sugar according to your choice. Add salt. Then add your yeast. I added 2 teaspoons of yeast or 2 sachets. After everything, stir it. After stirring all the dry ingredients together, I added butter or margarine. I added 3 teaspoons of margarine or butter. Whenever you go out and you see Sarfo Baffoe bread in the market, please buy some for me. If you are watching me and you don't have a job, this is a job opportunity. Now add the milk and then let the water follow. If you have honey or a wool, you can add some to it. Add the water gradually and then begin to stir it like banku. Add the water according to, otherwise a bit is a mpampa. Now it is time to use my natural machine or my hands. I have the dough mixer, but I prefer to use my hands. Mix it and knead it. If you mix it well, it would become smooth like fufu ayawan wadrum. Cover it and let it double in size. After it has been double in size, put it on your clean table and knead it till you get tired. The temperature in your house and the amount of yeast used can affect the time of it proofing. After kneading it for almost 10 or 15 minutes, it is time to mold it into any shape of your choice. After molding it, we are going to transfer it into the baking tray. Spread little butter on top of the bread. This is another style. You can sprinkle oat or sesame seed or any nut of your choice on top of the whole wheat bread. After everything, you can let it double in size again, or you can just put it inside the oven straight forward or straight away. I bake it at 160 degrees Celsius. Now look at it, very nice. I am going to enjoy it with cocoa. You are invited. Thank you for watching Sarfo Baffoe TV. Hope to see you again. May God richly bless you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Go! Bye-bye.